Something's not right inside. Get her open, let's have a wee look. It's not great, but it's not bad. There's obviously a bit of oil damage. Something's leaked. So we know the motor section's actually okay. Might just give that a wee clean out, seeing as we have it opened already. Hoping the problem's on here. Yeah, let's see what the problem is. Right, on to the customer. It's not actually that clicking noise. That's the switch. So if you're taking off a wheel nut or something, you have to keep repeatedly pulling the trigger to get it to run. It'll run for a few seconds, then stop. Pull the trigger, run again, stop. Pull the trigger, run again, stop. So the problem's on the switch. Hopefully that's through with this grease, this dirt that is coated on. Chance cleaning this out. Hopefully that might help it. important part of this here hammer section when reassembling is this ball bearing. Never forget that ball bearing. That sits between this spindle and your actual anvil. Without that, you're going to bust this gear casing. If you ever seen with the whole gear casing split in half, the whole top of it comes off. Big cracker along here you normally see. That's because somebody's disassembled it and didn't put that ball bearing back in again. And this here anvil's got too much play. Starts knocking up the way until it busts out of the casing. Don't ever forget to put it on. Clicking noise is gone too. That's her.